Hello everyone. So this is Sabir. Welcome to Sabir Affordable for Spreading Knowledge. That's we are covering the VBA. In the last session, we covered how to refer sheets and cells by using VBA. So in this video, we will cover some important basic points, but much important and useful in the VBA. Okay. So first we will see how to activate the developer tab. Okay, and second, in the VBA window we will closely check project explorer, property window and toolbar. Okay, and in the last we will cover how to create the message box in the VBA. Okay, so without wasting time, so we will start our session. So first I want to show you how to activate the developer tab. To see here in the ribbon, that's file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review and view. But developer tab is not visible here. Okay, so how to be activate the developer tab, or we can uh, visible in the ribbon. So we will go in the customize ribbon, so we can click on the file option and see customize ribbon here. Okay, just I have clicked customize ribbon and we can see here developer tab. Okay, so just highlighting, there is a uncheck, so I want to check. Okay, if once I check, then I can see the developer tab in the Excel ribbon tab. Okay, so just I want to clear. Let's see, I'm just clicking on the developer tab and okay, so see the developer tab is activate on the ribbon. So customize ribbon, other option also there, so just I'm right click on the ribbon. So see customize the ribbon, this is the shortcut key. You can also refer this option, and already check box is there on the developer tab, so it is activated. Okay, hope everyone aware, because this is most important and first element in the VBA session. Okay, so next is we will go on the VBA coding window. So how we will go there? So here also option Visual Basic, so we can click here. See, this window is open, so just I want to close. Other option also there, so we can see the other option also. So I can press Alt and F11. See, this is second option we can use only, mostly use. Okay, so just I want to introduce a project, VBA project. So in the first session a little bit I have introduced, but again I want to show you. So this is the VBA project. Okay, how it, if this is all, this one also invisible, then how we will get the project, VBA project? So simply I will close. See, so I can go in the view. See, project explorer. Just I am clicking here. Project explorer is visible. And the second point, uh, just property window also there. So I can click on the property window. So see, the property window also visible. So just I want to adjust the window. See, properties. This is the property showing for model 3, but if the Excel sheet, I click on the Excel sheet, then Excel sheet properties showing here. So just I want to closely look for the sheet name and all. So I want to see the name here. Okay, so this one will refer for this, that sheet name. Okay, that's default. Excel will take the name sheet 1. Okay, and this is user can change or user can define the sheet name. This will also name, right? We can change here also in the VBA. Okay, how we can change? So let's see. We will check. I'm clicking on the sheet 1. Just instead of sheet 1, I will refer the sheet 3. Okay, so sheet 3 name is there, so I want to change. So let's see where it will reflect the name. So I want to be change what I can give the name. I will give the name super. Okay, and done. Just clicking here. See, sheet 3, that's name is super. So we can change from here. And this one, that's in the bracket, right? So if I want to change this one also, I can change from here. So what I can change? So I can change like man, like Superman. Okay, so see, this one also change. We can change from the properties. Okay, if I go in the Excel sheet, I can see here man, because I have changed from here. Okay, so this one also most important, so please refer and do the practice on this. So second, and here also in the view that there is a shortcut also there. Okay, if you press the Control R and Control R, it will refer to Project Explorer. Okay, and F4 for property windows. So let's see. I will close this one and pressing the Control R. See, and F4. See, now visible project VBA project. Okay, project window is open. Now if I am pressing the F4, property should be open. Yes, property, that's model 3. So I want to adjust this window. Yeah, perfect. So once I click on the this sheet, that's sheet property is visible. Okay, so that's good point. So everyone should be aware on this, so that's why I am covering this point. Now I just want to show you that in the toolbar, so already option explicit is visible. How and why? So just I want to show you in the tool that's option is there, and I have checked here, checkbox is there, so I'm tick mark here, require variable declaration. So that's the reason that's option explicit is visible, already written there. So what is the purpose is for the this option? This is you may tick this. After ticking this option, option explicit will enable automatically for your each code. If you miss to declare the variable, this option would help you to notify to declare the variable. Okay, if you guys miss the define the variables, okay, then it will automatically uh, send a message. Will get the message box you missed the this variable to define. So it will helpful for if you beginner or learning the VBA, so it will helpful for everyone, every beginner. Okay, okay, uh, so now uh, I want to close this, and that's most important point want to cover in this session or in this video. That's I want to cover the message box. So simple message box, how we can create in the VBA. So we will check, we will going through it, and we will check how it will work. So we have to write the code in this module. So I'm in module 3. See, there is a sheet, so don't confuse. I'm adding this sheet 1, sheet 2. Okay, so these two sheets I am hidden, and model 1 I have written some codes, so leave it. So we are using model 3 only. So simple code I want to show you how we can use message box in the Excel. So simple, I just want to write the code, that's sub message box. Okay, that's our code name is message box. So what is the code? MsgBox. See, that's we can refer the below parameters. This is the message box prompt. Prompt is mandatory. We have to give the prompt message, and other than that, that's optional. If we leave, we can skip these parameters, but one by one we will cover, or we will learn this also, all the parameters. Okay, so just simple, I'm going to write in the prompt. Prompt is highlighting, right? It's in the bold because we are there, that's the reason it's bold prompt. So just I want to write here, welcome to VBA spreading have fun knowledge. Okay, so just simple message box I have right here. So let's see how it will work. So I'm going to enter by effect. Okay, see, the message box is reflecting on the screen. That's welcome to VBA spreading knowledge. So I'm just clicking on OK. So window is open and just execute the code. Again, I'm clicking on effect. Okay, so this is the first and simple type of the we can write for the code for message box. Second one, I just want to cover that's headers for message box. So how I can define or change the name. So just I want to run the first code only. So just I'm clicking F5. That's it will run all the code. So see, this is the message we have given in the message box there. Okay, but here is a title. I want to change, instead of Microsoft Excel I want to give my message here. So how can I give this command? So let's see, we can try to change that. Okay, so I will write the second code, sub message box 2. So I just want write here message. So same, I just MsgBox. Then again I want to cover the prompt. So instead of writing I am copying here, copying from here. See, prompt is covered. Okay, and I just want to blank this one, because so this one also we can cover. So what I can give, I have already given this some pointers on the Excel sheet. So let's see, I will cover this one also, VB information. Okay, and title I want to give, what is the title? Just simply welcome message. Okay, so let's run this code by effect. See, two changes is there. Welcome message is there. I have changed as a, before that Microsoft it's showing here. Instead of Microsoft I have written this as a title welcome message. Okay, and VB explanation, VB information symbol is there. This is okay. See, I have written here the symbol is mostly used by VBA developer. These four symbols, okay. This one, this cross, VB critical, okay, VB question, and VB information, and VB exclamation. So we can write in the message box. We can use these symbols, okay. So I'm simply just clicking on OK. So again we jump into VBA window, just clicking on it and execute the code. Now what I will cover, already that's information also covered, and welcome message that's covered. So that's good thought. We can skip also. So just I want to simply show you. So message box third. So MsgBox, I just want to give this code, copy and paste. I don't want to waste the time, okay. So this one, and I want to be a button as a VB message box style. So I want to skip, and then after I want to give the title. Let's see it will work or not. So this is in highlighted in red. Why? Because our code is not completed. So that's the reason that's highlighting in the red. Okay. So enter. Okay. Fine. So I'm going to run this step into effect. Wow, it's working. See, I have skip here that symbol. Okay, we can skip also. So see, here is message, that's title, okay, and whatever we are giving the message in the code, that's reflecting here, okay. So this is the title and this is our code, this is our message, okay. So this is the simple, not tough, so easy to refer and easy to use the message box. That's as simple as that. So just click on effect and exit the code. Just I want to see the symbol. So all four type, if I want to check how they will work or how they will look in the message box, so just I want to see. So simply I will copy this code. See, search message box 4, and I want to copy this one. Just click and paste, enter. So it's just the same code, right? VB information, we already saw that symbol. So second one, what is VB exclamation, right? Let's see. Hope it will work. I'm clicking on effect. That's variable not defined. Okay. So I want to remove this one. So then again I will get the parameters from here. So I want to go from, I want to pick from the parameters. So maybe information is there, exclamation, maybe exclamation we are referring. Okay, exclamation, right? Okay, so good. Then again title, what is title? Welcome message. So again by effect, yes, see, exclamation, we covered this one, exclamation, and information also we done. So let's see VB question and critical. So there is the option, so you guys also can pick from the parameters and we can use that. Okay, so I don't want to make it the longer video. I just want to keep it short so it will easy to follow the all the codes, and you can understand uh, the the timeline for this session. So just I want to exit from this code, so clicking on effect. Okay, so just I'm closing this VBA window, and I want to go on the Excel sheet. Just few points I want to show you guys. Okay, I want to cover that's how to activate, or maybe you get some error for the macro disable or something like that. So how we can enable the macro? So just I want to simply uh, explain you. So click on file and option. Okay, there is trust center setting, and see. Okay, so it is this one first. Okay, and this is the second, and this is the important one. Okay, so micro setting and enable all micro in the bracket, not recommended, potentially dangerous code can run. And last one is trust access to the VBA project object model. So this should, both the points will tick mark there. Okay, there is a bubble and here is a checkbox, so make sure it should be a bubble there, and here tick mark should marking there. Okay, so it is, once you clicking here, then it will not impact on coding. It will safely, you can save and enable the macros. So just clicking on the clear and finishing the diagram. And what else I want to cover? I guess that's enough for in this second session. Okay, so soon we will meet in the next session, and most important point we'll cover in this second session. Third session related, that's message box. Okay, how we will create the dynamic for the message box. So don't miss that. Soon I will upload that third video as well. So thank you so much for watching this video and learning from the spreading knowledge. Okay, thanks a lot guys. See you in the next video.